सभी ने कई बाजार देखे होंगे अपने जीवन में, चाहे वो कपड़ों का हो या सब्जियों का। पर शायद एक और बाजार है जिसे हम नजरअंदाज कर रहे हैं। यस, वेलकम टू द इंडियन ब्राइड बाजार, वेयर daughters are sold as brides, where women come cheaper than cattle. The world we are living in has assigned a certain price to almost everything, be it food, water, housing, or any commodity. And yes, not to forget, a women.
তো মেলা মানুষ আইবানেছে তো কইব এডে নিবে কি এডে নিবে কি এডে নিবে তো আমার নিকে কি কর মানে 8000 টাকার নিকে তো আমার নিকে বেকা দিছে
जो पहले बच्चा जो दूसरी के वो 2-3 बार मुँह पीट ली गया भगा दे हम ना रखा
6,000-7,000 रुपया दे दिया और लड़की वहाँ से ले आया जाके।
In a patriarchal society like ours, women are forced to play second fiddle to males as far as work, marriages, property, or families are concerned. Dowry, though banned in India by law, is still prevalent in large swathes of the Indian countryside.
कहाँ चले?
वही है सब।
हमको मंडी जाना है। ऐसे क्या देख रहे हो? अरे दहेज में स्कूटर आया है, ये बात पे इतराना जरूरी नहीं है, हमारा काम जरूरी है। अरे 4 क्लास का पढ़ भाव खा रही हो, अंदर जाओ।
भाव कहाँ खा रहे हैं? भाव तो दिए
हैं?
दहेज दिए हैं, मतलब भाव दिए हैं। खरीद लिया है आपके बेटे को। इज्जत से पूछेगा तो मिलेगा यूज करने, स्कूटर भी और बेटा भी।
And then there is a reverse trend where overaged men offer to buy brides when they are unable to find women to marry. A widowed woman was thrown out of her house by her in-laws because she was a Molki or a paro. A field study by a local NGO revealed that out of 10,000 households they surveyed in Haryana, 9,000 married women were bought from another states. Now, what is the modus operandi of arranging such marriages? Sometimes the Molkis they themselves arrange their own marriages. Sometimes there are marriage mediators who run trafficking rackets. Then sometimes the husbands of the Molkis they themselves sell them to someone else for money. There is a severe disbalance in the men and women ratio. In India, female infanticide, female feticide, and a severe neglect to the female or a girl child has resulted in such a skewed men and women ratio. The other main reason is the poverty-ridden parents, which makes it vulnerable for them to sell their daughters for money. मतलब अब दहेज नहीं देना है तो हम अपनी बेटियों को ही बेच दें। The Constitution of India prohibits all forms of trafficking under Article 23(1). It states that trafficking of human beings, beggars, or similar forms of forced labor is strictly prohibited, and any contravention to this provision shall be strictly punishable according to law. However, India is yet to implement strict laws against bride trafficking. It won't be fair on our behalf to not to mention government-initiated campaigns such as Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana, which focuses on welfare services for girl child Recently, Haryana has become a very successful state, increasing their sex ratio and also taking strict laws against the female feticide cases under this scheme. The next commendable campaign by our government is Apni Beti Apna Dhan Yojana, where, after looking at the conditions of the child marriages in India, government made an cash transfer scheme in which parents are given a certain amount of cash if they delay their daughter's wedding till 18 and let her study. In the end, I want you all to think how it feels from being a bride to be a bride to buy.